Hi, Miss M6578. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. My name is Emeline Ares, 44 years old, single. I'm finished Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am the first of the three siblings, one brother and one sister. I have work experience here in the Philippines, 3 years and 4 months. I served two adults and one children. Then I have work experience as domestic helper in Singapore. 1 year and 11 months early release. I served there 5 members of the family, 4 adults, the couple, and the 2 children and one 7 years old child.
Okay, so you are the one who do the household chores, right?
Yes,
You are
sir.
in Singapore.
Yes,
so, since you have an experience being a helper and taking care of a child, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
willing to learn.
So, you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn?
Yes, sir, because I have a niece.
So, you have a niece?
Yes, sir. I take good care of my niece.
Niece and nephews?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, sir, I will check the diaper if it is full, and I will check the temperature. Then I feed milk or food. But if still crying, I will tell my employer immediately to check the child and the babies if need a medical assistance.
Okay. What is your motivation to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my mother. I want also have my own house, and in my future also, sir, I will earn money for my future.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer wants me to continue to renew my contract, I will willing to work the
Okay.
family.
For sure, you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir. In Singapore, I cook steamed fish, bihon, steamed vegetables.
Okay.
Soft, they're soft, then they're tofu.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Soup tofu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir. I will.
Okay. It is okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to not use cell phone while working?
Yes, sir. In Singapore, I do that.
Okay. How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay. How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer or if your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn Cantonese, sir.
Okay. How about to work on Sunday or in
Yes,
holiday?
sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your employer?
Hi, ma'am and sir. If you choose me as your helper, I will do my best, and I will obey your rules and regulation in your country, and then I will uphold my good values by doing my duties. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Emeline. Thank you.
Thank you, sir and
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you. Bye bye.